Hi, welcome back. Here's another quick video for you. We're going to start by adding 20 to both sides to get rid of this negative 20 here. So this becomes x factorial equals 120. But what is factorial? Well, a factorial is when we have a number and we have a factorial sign after it, that just means that we multiply together 3 times 2 times 1. So, starting with this number, we multiply it by every integer all the way down to 1. So, 10 factorial would be 10 times 9 times 8, etc., all the way down to times 1. And 6 factorial would be 6 times 5 times 4, etc., all the way down to times 1. So how do you think we would solve this? Well, let's just start with 1 and keep on multiplying it by the next digit until we get to the number we want, 120. So 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Then 6 times 4 is 24. So we're not there yet. Let's keep going. Times 5. 5 times 24 is 120. And that's what we were looking for. So x must equal 5. Did you get that? I hope you did. Please like and subscribe if you would like to see more.